Now the risk is, however, it's a liquidation. So there's two types of bankruptcies for people like you and me, for average just consumers, everyday Americans. Those are Chapter 7, which is a liquidation, and Chapter 13, which is a reorganization. So Chapter 7, what essentially happens is any unsecured debt, so like think credit cards, medical bills, any sort of just general personal loans that aren't secured by anything like a car or a house. Unsecured debts, like I said, credit cards, those can be eliminated through Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Now the risk is, however, it's a liquidation. So if you have a certain amount of equity in your car or in your house, or if you have some assets that the court might want to sell so that they can pay off your creditors, you will likely lose those in a Chapter 7. Which brings us to Chapter 13, which is a reorganization. So you're typically not going to be selling off very many assets in a Chapter 13, but you're going to be paying off pretty much all of your debt over the course of 3 to 5 years. Now, Chapter 7, 3 to 5 months. So much quicker, you can get your debt pretty much relieved. So Chapter 7 tends to be kind of the more popular route. But if you have assets, or if you make above a certain amount of income, Chapter 13 is probably the right move. So those are your two options as consumers.